compressor 1 conflict, high pressure switch, alarm compressor 1, low superheat, compressor thermocold. Yung alarm na yan, lumitaw yan noong tumaas yung pressure natin doon sa ating compressor. Noong tumaas yung pressure, no, from 15 bar umakyat sa ng 23, no. So nung umakyat ng 23, itong aking high pressure switch nag-trigger. So hindi natin mapa-under yung aircon. Ang ginawa namin para mapa-under lang, no, nilagyan namin ng wire. Kung nasa may inlet kami yung lugar, no, yung inlet natin pumalo yan ng 33, 34, no. Pag pumalo yan ng 33, 34, tumataas yung pressure ng discharge pressure. So on electrical wiring diagram, you will find a terminal Y and GO from which you are going to connect a wire directly on it, so we can open the electron expansion valve at 100% open. Then this is the PLC. Also, you must need to check the main compressor 1 and 2, how it is connected, and you must need to find a way to activate it together with the air handling unit, ventilation fan, and you must need to trace out all the contactors connected on it. So since we are not able to operate this air condition in automatic mode, we need to find a way to activate the main compressor together with fan blower. So on page 25, you will find the circuit breaker 25Q S of my main compressor, and also I need to identify the wiring on page 42 with relay contacts for 7QS and telling where the contactors of my AHU is connected.
Manual start the air compressor.
For manual start,
The manual. I don't want to
this is blower.
manual start the compressor.
If you put manual,
Yeah.
only the blower start.
The compressor you can manual start.
In manual start,
Yeah.
you can do emergency.
Emergency. You can manual start.
Here, one
And,
wire remove. This wire use.
Oh.
Then put here.
Yeah.
But this breaker is off.
The manual
Then on up.
operation.
You can put in hot and run. This engage. On, compressor will run manually.
If I need a manual operation, this is the number. Which one? This is compressor. Number 2. That's the number 1.
One, two.
Well, I want to emergency use the number 2. This is the here.
Yeah.
Same connection.
If you want to operate this in manual, you must switch off the breaker. Remove the cable there, A1.
Here.
Remove.
Here.
Connect one cable there, going to the A1 of the blower.
Here. Emergency.
Then all the valves here open. This open. Also the valve on up. Going to the evaporator open. Bakit mapa-under yung ating aircon? Kaya kami naglagay ng wire dito, no? Then syempre kapag nag-start yung blower fan, yung contactor ng ating compressor number 1, automatic mag-i-engage yan. Tapos pag nag-engage yan at inangat mo yung circuit breaker dito, no, aandar yung ating compressor. So sa ngayon yung blower ko, supply pan, umaandar, no? You must need to open manually the valve going to the suction side of your compressor, and on up you must need to connect the wire of Y directly on GO terminal. So I am now here in electronic expansion valve made by Siemens. You must need to open this cover, and you must need to connect directly the wire on terminal Y and GO for you to enable to open the electronic expansion valve. So in here you will see I just connect directly the GO terminal on Y terminal. In this way, the electronic expansion valve are fully open. But remember, when you do automatic, you must need to remove it again. So in here is the suction and supply side of my valve, coming from my evaporator going to the compressor. Ito yung apat na pipe, yung pipe 1, ito yung galing, no, sa evaporator ko, ito yung galing sa compressor ko, ito naman yung 2, no. Mapapansin nyo, malamig yung return papunta sa aking compressor. So sasakalin natin to, no, para hindi mag-flooding yung ating compressor at hindi masira dahil malamig ang cooling, no. Sasakalin natin siya dito kasi ngayon ang expansion valve ko dito, no, fully open ito kasi naka manual to ngayon, no. So dahil fully open to, napasok dyan yung refrigerant, sobrang dami ang pumapasok dyan ngayon. So ngayon, para mabawasan natin yung pumapasok dyan, no, yung line na to, mapapansin nyo, dumaan yan doon sa filter dryer, papunta yan doon. So ito yun, no, sasakalin ko dito to. Pag sinakal ko to dito, syempre kunti yung papasok doon sa ating evaporator, kunti yung babalik doon sa ating compressor. So dito ko na lang siya sasakalin, no, ika-crack open ko lang siya mga guys. Kung yan ay full close, no, i-crack open lang natin siya. Yan, makapansin nyo, no, may maririnig kayong sound pag sarado, ganyan, no, kapag open, yan, no, yun, crack open lang tayo mga guys. So tingnan natin doon sa baba kung ilan yung pressure. Ginagawa ko to para hindi masyadong marami yung babalik doon sa compressor, hindi magkakaroon ng ice yung suction side nya. Okay, kapansinin nyo, malamig yung aking supply air papunta sa kabina yan, no, 14 plus 5, mga 19 doon, no, 19 doon sa mga deck. So guys, to napansin nyo, no, yung aking pressure, suction pressure ay naging 1.9 or 1.8, then from 19.3 yung discharge pressure ko ay nasa 19.9, tumaas, no. Tapos yung temperature ko doon sa aking evaporator kanina naging 0.1, ngayon naging pang 15.9 na lang. Tapos yung superheat natin naging 28 sa kanyang temperature, no? Yan, no? Yung temperature sa kabina ko ay nasa 19.6. Yan. Tapos mapapansin nyo, no, yung yellow dito kanina nawala. Okay, nawala yung yellow, no, sabihin maganda na yung suction pressure na papasok sa compressor natin. Mapapansin nyo yung ice nawala na rin, no. Yan, may maintain lang natin siya na ganyan, no, yung ice wala, para hindi magkaroon ng flooding doon sa system natin. Tapos ang discharge pressure ko dito 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 18.5. yung discharge pressure. Ang suction ko ngayon ay nasa 1.8, no? 1.8. Gagawin ko siyang dos. Pansin nyo may lumalagati. Yan yung valve plate natin. So i-open ko pa siya ng bahagya, no? Kasi ngayon naka 35% lang ako, no? Gagawin ko siyang 50%. Ayan, no? Naka 50% yan. Yung tunog na wala na. Sasakalin natin. Pansinin nyo yung tunog. Yan, no? Pansin nyo ba? Yun, yung tunog niya, no? Off natin ng konti. Yan. So sa ganyang valve opening, no, na-reduce natin yung pumapasok na freon doon sa ating evaporator. Minamanual lang natin. Buksan ko pa ng konti. Yan. Ito yung temperature sa aking room. Nasa 13 plus 5, 18 yung temperature ko sa accommodation. Kumukuha ako ng hangin sa labas, no? Ito, fresh air. Then pinapahirap ko dun. Isarado ko muna ito sa labas, no? Yan. Para dito na ako kukuha sa loob ng hangin, no? Yan. Okay. Sa ganyang sitwasyon, lahat ng hangin galing sa accommodation magsisirculate lang dito sa aking evaporator. Tignan ko yun sa baba kung ano nangyari doon. Yun guys, maganda na, no? Mapansin nyo rito, no? Meron akong 3.2 suction pressure. Ito yung ideal na pressure of suction. 19.6 yung discharge. Then itong valve, manual crack open ko siya, ginawa ko siya 50% open. Then dito, yung evaporator ko is negative 0.6. Okay. Then pinaikot ko yung hangin mula sa accommodation. Nasa 20 degrees Celsius ngayon yung pumapasok. Papasok palabas sama sa accommodation is 18.2. Ang superheat ko is 1. Yan. Here, it have ice. Here. Going here.
Yeah. I know.
If have ice, no good. If have ice here, no good. The compressor might blow because the cooling now is cold. You have to little bit close this one, little bit close for the inlet. Then this one on also up here. Before, when this is fully open,
Okay.
too much refrigerant liquid coming in. So I just reduce this one like this. Reduce. So this is done only when the cooling seawater is 25 degrees Celsius. If the cooling seawater or fresh water 31, 32, just pull it open. Ayun, tinuruan ko yung Chinese. And here is the nameplate of my compressor. It is operated at 19 to 28 bars. So I will adjust and set the high pressure switch at 21 bars. So you will able to protect the pipes from bursting out. Naglagay kami ng wire dito sa fan lower contactor A1, no? Didiretso namin doon sa A1 nung contactor ng compressor number 1. Tinanggal naman namin yung wire na galing sa PLC ng A1. So ginawa namin yon noong mainit yung cooling ng tubig. Nung nasa tapos yung compressor ko naka-off dahil nakababa yung aking breaker. Ang gagawin ko ngayon, ibabalik ko sa dating wiring setup. Gagawin ko na siyang automatic. Para maging automatic siya, no? Syempre, ang gagawin natin, i-off ko yung fan dito. I-off ko yung fan. Then i-off ko na rin yung mga circuit breaker dito. 1, 2, 3, 4. Naka-off yan ngayon, no? Then naka-off ito. So wala lang kuryente dito. Tatanggalin ko yung blue wire, no? Doon. Tanggal ko na yung wire na to, no? Tilanggal ko na dito sa A1. Then nakikita niyo yung puting wire na yon na may black. Yan yung wire galing sa PLC. Kakabit ko yan dun sa contactor. Ang marka na white dito. Ito di dapat tanggalin, no? I-connect mo lang yung wire dyan. Tapos yung isang white black color wire na merong tape, tanggalin. Ikabit yung blue wire. Yung inject ito
Okay.
During emergency, you must connect here on A1 and here on A1. Just remove the black cable from PLC. This cable.
Yeah. How to connect it?
Connect here, A1, and then connect there on A1.
Yo.
Meron ako dito kasamang intake. Ito, intake. Yan. Now I just connected the wire. This black wire coming from PLC to make it automatic. Then this I'm going to tighten it. Blower. So, punta ako sa porong taas. Tanggalin ko yung jumper wire doon sa aking expansion valve. LC D80. Yan. Nag-order na rin ako ng bago nito kasi wala siya. Since I'm going to put in automatic, I'm going to put this full open.
Open lah.
Yeah,
Ito.
we can put this full open. Then, as you can find here, I just put this cable. In case of emergency, you have to put this one to make this expansion valve full open. Okay?
Yeah.
This.
Now it's full open.
Now it is full open, and I'm going to put in automatic. So we need to remove this cable. We are going to remove this cable.
This is full open lah. Wait.
For this condition, this is full open. But since we are going to put it in automatic, I'm going to remove this cable. Okay? Yun. Ito yung kasama ko siya, no? Pupunta na kami doon sa baba. At papaanda rin namin siya ng automatic. Bubuksan natin ito ngayon, no? Pagbukas natin ito ngayon, yan, no? Papaanda rin natin yung compressor using automatic. Dadaan na siya ng PLC. So, ito yung supply pan. Ito yung compressor number 1, no? Tataas ko na yung mga breaker nya. Transformer. Control voltage. Control voltage. Yun. Tapos, iwan ko na rin yung pan. Ayan. Okay. Then, dito, no? Magkakaroon na na. Ayan. So, meron tayo. Kita nyo, nag-green, no? Nag-green. Sabihin, umandar na yung ating pan. So, umandar na yung pan dito, no? Automatic. Then from here, no? Nakikita nyo yung compressor, i-press nyo lang. Ayan. Pag pinress nyo yung compressor, no? Ang ating in service is compressor number 1. Okay? Yan yung ating naka-service. Ito yung ammeter ng aking compressor 1. Ito yung compressor 1 ko. Makapansin nyo dito, no? Siyempre, yan, nakasulat. Compressor number 1. Yan. Siguraduhin nyo lang na yung suction, discharge, tapos yung mga valvula papunta sa filter dryer, papunta doon sa evaporator ay open. Siyempre, una tayo sa home. Yan, no? Kung nasa home tayo, meron tayong timer dyan. Nakikita. Iangat ko ngayon yung breaker. Ito yung compressor number 1 breaker. Pansin nyo dito, no? Dahil naka-automatic yan, no? Yun. Compressor control, okay yan. Para mag-start. Yung nalis lang natin yan. Ano yung compressor mo kapag mayroong ang high pressure? So, ito yung high pressure switch, no? Pansin nyo, nakaset siya ng 25. Pero mayroon akong alarm na high pressure switch. Tutukan natin siyang i-reset. Yun, pag na-reset mo na siya, no? Mawawala na yung high pressure alarm doon. I-acknowledge natin. Acknowledge is 1, ha? Yun. Acknowledge. Okay. Acknowledge. Low pressure. Or pressure. Ito yung ating pressure, no? Pressure lang to. Mag-press na yan.
I'm a welcome seat. How to do it?
Wait. Mapapansin nyo yung aking suction, 4.5. Tapos 17.3 yung discharge. Then, yung percentage ng aking valve nag-ooperate. 19%, 17%, 12%, 11%. Then, yung pumapasok ko na hangin, galing sa accommodation 25.6. Yung nakalabas 20.4, okay? Ito yung evaporator natin. Evaporator temperature 5.7. Superheat 16 degrees. Ayun, naka-automatic mode tayo. Compressor, yan, no? Mababa yung amperahe dahil 54% lang ang opening. Yan, tumaas siya, no? Tumaas 34%. Yan, no? Tapos, bababa, no? Bababa rito. So,
You can adjust that.
yeah, this is automatic. Automatic.
Automatic.
When full open, this become low. If it's full open, this become high. So, ganyan siya. Now, ganyan by needed. This valve up there, coming up, ganyan by needed.
Oh.
Automatic adjustment. Automatic. Okay. Yan yung ginawa natin kanina ng valve. Kasi in this way, you can avoid of having ice on this suction line because you are able to regulate the refrigerant from coming in going to your suction site. Yeah. No? Tapos tignan nyo yung aking discharge. Nasa 15, 16, 17 bar. Yung aking suction, nakalaro siya, no? Yan. 3.6, 3.2, 3.4, yan. Bali, nakalaro yan. Sabihin kung nagana yung aking automatic. Okay? Eh, nagpisiran siya, no? Nagpisiran siya, Ben. Tuwa. This is the unloader valve. During the starting, this will regulate and put refrigerant on the compressor, so the compressor will not be heated up on unloader valve. In here I have 15 to 20 up to 23, so I'm going to reduce this up to 23. Then skip na PLC. Then Siemens 1, 2, 3. This is the relay. Normal operation, ha? This line, this line, this line, this line, line, line.
You put have spare parts. This one.
No have.
No spare parts. All is the same one.
Same.
Then you need to make a spare.
The air outside is cold, so 18.5. We are able to run the blower and start the aircon by taking this one quick. See?
Manual.
If you put in manual, the compressor will start automatic, and then
Get
the
started.
blower running.
Get started.
Yeah. No.
Huh?
This, I will say, the blower fan still running. Compressor now stop. You want to go on alarm?
Yeah.
Go and press this one,
Yeah.
and then all alarm coming. You can close up and down. Now compressor to full because the circuit breaker here is off. If you want to open, no problem. Compressor 2. If you open this one,
Yeah. You for you.
no problem.
Hey.
Here. Alarm natin. Auto alarm. Better for safety purposes, you must switch off this one. So, alarm ka. is 2.85 bar. Discharge ko dito ay nasa 18.2 bar. Then oil pressure ko ay nasa 6.4 bar. Wala nang ice, no? Kanina meron tong ice, no? Okay na yan. Dito wala na ring yelo. Tapos ito yung ating cooling, 25.3. Yun ang gagawin natin. Pag malamig, isarado ng konti ang suction valve para hindi magkaroon ng flooding sa system at hindi masira ang compressor. Yan yung aking Chinese na kaibigan. Lunch time na, kailangan na kumain. Good morning. Yan. Meron kami dito Chinese sandwich. Ayan o, sinulat namin din o. Ano, lahat. Na.
Bye-bye!